Hello everyone, this is Pandian. I want to give some of the clarity of many of the students' query. The common query about biomedical engineering is they required job in the core job into the manufacturing industry. There are three things actually you need to be keep remember regarding to place it in the manufacturing industry. First thing, what actually they are not expecting is your academic excellence. Definitely they are not required. Just 70 percentage of marks without any arrears, that is fine. They're not concerning about your excellency in academic. Need to get gold medal, need to get silver medal, need to get more than 9 cgpa or more than 90 percentage and all. That you should be remembered. So for that, rather you are concentrating more on the academic subjects. Along with the academic subjects, the second thing you must be expected, that is practical exposure. Manufacturing industry is keenly about you are having any skills on dealing with the medical equipment practically, by the way of you have a quality to calibrate the medical equipment, or you have a quality to troubleshooting the medical equipment, or you have a quality to demonstrating the medical equipment, or you have a quality to designing the medical equipment. That kind of things actually they are expecting. How we can able to get through the academics? Definitely through the academic you can't able to get this ideology and your theoretical aspects, principles, laws, all the things you can able to get through the academics. You need to apply the principle, you need to apply the laws, and then only you can able to understand how it is functioning. You can study the demonstration of the X-ray machine, but once you touch the X-ray machine, only you can clearly understanding about how the functionality is. That is what the practical exposure is. If you are handling the devices only, you can easily identify whether it is properly functioning or not. That is called calibration. And then you can able to be checked whether this particular functionality is not proper. You need to do something else, and you need to do some this kind of the correction. You need to make some alteration of this particular chip or something like that. That is called a troubleshooting. You may have knowledge on that particular thing. It is not possible as per now university syllabus is concerned. This is not possible through the institutional, that is academicians. Through the academicians you can't able to get this, so you can able to get that thing from the companies. There are so many companies, they are providing internships, training, all that kind of the things. You through that you can able to get collaborated with the working environment people, and they are giving so many ideas about troubleshooting, calibration, how the environment ambience is. All that thing they can explain. And third thing you might have explain about, if you are looking for the manufacturing job, it is not actually a white collar job. You must be ready to work hardly. Physically you must be fit, mentally you must be fit, and you must have some updated knowledge about recent healthcare environments. That means you need to update about recent equipments, recent ideologies in around the world regarding the particular department is concerned, which is actually you are looking for in radiology or ophthalmology, or physiotherapy, or in for ICU equipments, or in for pulmonology equipments or cardiology equipments. What actually the department you are concerning for, you need to have a thorough knowledge on that particular thing. Okay, I hope these three important things actually must required for the people, those who are looking for the job into the manufacturing industry. So I hope so you can understand about what actually the quality required. I hope so the more number of queries I got in past 2 months. I need a job in manufacturing industry like that. So that's what I'm just make a video and post it into that. So you can get a clear clarity about this particular thing. Okay. So keep following us. Thank you very much.